Hey there, car enthusiasts and tech lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story that's got everyone talking. A UPS driver from New York found himself in a tricky situation when his car refused to start. But here's the twist. He didn't call for a tow truck or break out the jumper cables. Instead, he reached for his iPhone charger and, well, let's just say he gave his car a little jolt of life. Now, this might sound like a wild hack, but it's actually a clever workaround for a common car issue. You see, the part he's targeting is called the starter solenoid. It's like the gatekeeper that controls the flow of power from the battery to the starter motor. Normally, you'd turn the key or press a button and voila, the car starts. But in this case, something was blocking that signal. So, our UPS hero took matters into his own hands, or rather, his iPhone charger. By pressing the metal tip of the charger against the solenoid terminals, he essentially created a direct electrical connection, forcing the engine to crank. It's like giving your car a little electric kiss to wake it up. Now, this raises an interesting question. What happens when the starter goes bad? Well, the starter is a tiny yet mighty component that uses battery power to get your engine going. If it fails, you're not going anywhere. But here's the good news. It's not the end of the road for your car. According to the experts, a new starter can set you back anywhere from $80 to $350, and with professional installation, you're looking at a total cost of $150 to $1,100. That's a pretty wide range, depending on your vehicle and the labor involved. So, while it might be tempting to throw in the towel and throw the whole car out, as our UPS friend jokingly suggested, it's not always necessary. A bad starter is a fixable problem, and with a little know-how and the right tools, you might just be able to give your car a new lease on life, just like our creative UPS driver. Personally, I think it's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to find creative solutions in a pinch. It's also a great reminder that sometimes, the simplest tools can be the most effective. So, the next time your car gives you a hard time, remember this story and give it a little iPhone love. Until next time, keep those engines running and stay curious, my friends.